thought I'd show you a little bonus material here. This is a set of speakers I bought. Nothing fancy. They're Sherwin Vegas, and I got these off of Amazon. Part number looks like XED693. They are just 6x9s, nothing special. I'm not worried about thumping anything, making all kinds of noise. But let's see, they're 6x9, 350 watts max, and you can see all the information there. Now, when I open this box up, I'm going to show you the speakers actually have the center sections that are raised up a little bit. My concern was that when I put them in the car, this area might interact with the bottom of the package shelf. So I also bought these, and these are from Scosche SS69 6x9 speaker spacer, and they're tapered. So one is, you can see the thickness difference. So basically I'm just going to put these in, and again the concern was that they might sit up too high. So I'll get them in place and show them to you, and then I'll decide whether I want to put that spacer underneath. Just so you know, when I open the box, it comes with some screws and some clips, some generic wiring, speaker covers, which I did not see that on the cover of the box, so that's good to know, but I'm not planning on using these because I want them to be kind of hidden. So there's what I was talking about. You can see how much of the speaker sticks up, and that may cause some problems. We'll find out. Just to show you, if I put the speaker up in the hole there, and I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to represent the shelf, it actually does make it, stick up. So that answers that question. But just so you know, I mean, there are options here. If you wanted to, you could just put the speaker in, have a big hole for the in the package shelf, and then put the covers on top. But I'm going to go with a concealed look, so I'll add the spacers, and that'll allow me to actually angle these a little bit. I'm not sure which way I want to go yet, but I'll look at that. It's gonna probably won't make really any difference. Another thing I'm putting in is this block-off panel that I got from NPD. This is actually pretty nice. I believe it's 16 gauge steel. I went ahead and painted it black. It does come with a bit of an oil kind of feel to it, so I did degrease it and everything and just painted it black. I think that'll be fine. And the way I'm going to do this is I've already kind of test fitted it, and it looks like it's going to be really simple to get in place, but I'm going to go around the perimeter with some self-tapping screws. Now what I might do, I haven't decided yet. I may pre-drill some holes, but I don't know that I need to. And what I'm using is some of these self-drilling type of holes. They're not very long, and I don't think there's any instructions that tell you to do every so many inches, but what I might do is just start here in the center, get it up and get it in place. Now, one thing you have to think about too, I just noticed there's a little hook right here and right here that we're probably, well, that might even be a great guide. I just noticed those little hooks. Those were probably for the fabric, I'm assuming, or something that was attached to the back section there. So that's a great idea. Just push it up against those and figure out where your crossbars are. Now, what you might do if you take this out, there's no cross section, I should say. I shouldn't have said crossbars. I was thinking of a different type of car that had some cross supports in it. But basically, you're just going to go around the perimeter and screw it to the back of the car here. Yeah. That should be simple enough. see if I can do this. There's actually one over there too. I didn't see those. Make note, there's actually little hooks on these ends. So I'm gonna have to push those up and out of the way. I think, yeah, it's gonna interfere with the way these fit. So push those up. There we go. I'll leave these other ones turned down. Kind of center it as best I can. It feels like this. I think that'll work.